Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on this Zanussi washing machine. Before we start, please make sure you've isolated the appliance from the mains. The filter is located behind the small door at the bottom of the machine here. If we open the door, you'll see exactly where the filter is here. You'll also see a drain hose here. It's got a small bung at the end of it to drain the water. Now I've placed a towel in front of the machine in case any water escapes. We'll just pull the drain hose out, take the bung out at the end, and drain the water out. Now when it's finished draining, I just lay the hose down there, just get the last little bit of the water from the filter. Now we're ready to unscrew the filter. There shouldn't be too much water left in there. Okay. He's not too bad, that one. Now once you've cleaned your filter, he's ready to go back in. Tighten him up. We place the bung on the drain hose, push it back in, close it. And that is how you clean the filter on a Zanussi washing machine. Washing machine spares and spares for all appliances are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.